Well, good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. Not much going on today, just a hurricane. And it's raining. This is the work from home edition, Milton update number 1. Well, I don't think this rain's part of the hurricane, but it's raining. It's the work from home edition. Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. Let's see. Yeah. Traffic doesn't seem to be a problem today. We already got a sizable puddle out front. That's nice. We'll make sure that water flows. And let's get 12 to 18 inches of rain. That'll be fun. And a little bit of wind. Stay safe.